Viewers, the monsoon session of Parliament begins today and will continue till August 13 with 19 sittings scheduled over the next 25 days. The centre is set to table and discuss several key bills, including the Prevention of Insults to National Honour Amendment Bill, which seeks to make insulting the national song Vande Mataram a criminal offence. The government is also expected to reintroduce the Constitution Amendment Bill proposing to increase the Lok Sabha strength to 850 members along with 33% reservation for women. The opposition is likely to seek discussions on several issues, including alleged irregularities in competitive examinations. I have a slew of panelists joining me for this discussion. As the monsoon session kickstarts today, I have with me political analyst Rajlakshmi Joshi, senior journalist Kalyani Shankar, Shekhan Vijayan is also joining us, political analyst, and senior journalist Gautam Mukherjee is also with us this morning. Thank you to you all and a very good morning for joining us. Firstly, Rajlakshmi, why don't we start with you? Monday morning and the monsoon session is all set to kickstart today. What are you expecting? How smoothly will this session go on, given all the issues that are now before the government, the Ram Mandir case, the paper leaks, the reservation bill for women, and the national song to be included?
A very good morning to you and to all my co-panelists and to all your viewers. And I really hope that this monsoon session of Parliament will go on smoothly. Yes, we can only hope that. But yesterday there was an all-party meeting which was called by the central government. And yes, I think that actually was kind of a sign of things to come. As has been the last so many parliament sessions where the opposition had a lot of issues over a lot of things, starting with the fact that some of the rebel MPs, they were also invited. So their factions were also invited.
Yes.
So they did stage a symbolic walkout. But yes, there are a lot of very important and significant bills that are expected to be discussed, that the government proposes, that hopes to propose and to get through. And also, of course, there are a lot of issues that the opposition wants to raise. Now, my only hope and my only...
Siri here. Let me know if I can help.
With a lot of these issues is that, there needs to be a proper dialogue, there needs to be a proper discussion over all these bills, because they're very significant and important ones, even the ones that, of course, the government wishes to propose. Like, for example, now there are certain bills like, yes, you were talking about the delimitation and the women reservation bill, which the government had introduced the last time round also. But I'm not sure if they will immediately go ahead with it, because the government wants to be sure of the numbers, because they need to have at least 2/3 majority. So unless they are assured of the numbers, I'm not sure if they're going to introduce that. But in the meantime, they definitely want to introduce bills that will ensure that our national, some of our important national monuments or important national symbols are not disrespected. So that is especially so for the Vande Mataram and certain other such symbols and certain other songs also, I guess.
Right.
So also there is this thing about the Supreme Court judges, then about the MSMEs, and then there is something about the education. So, there are a lot of bills that definitely need discussion, and I really hope that it finds a smooth transfer. But yes, looking at the way the past so many sessions have gone, I'm not sure, because the opposition already has made up their mind that they are going to hold the parliament to ransom over things like Sonam Wangchuk's arrest and about the Ram Mandir issue. And
right, Rajlakshmi, stay on with me. I'll keep coming back to you. For now, let's take some breaking updates coming in. Now, the Ayodhya Ram temple